Oh
my god, I'm gonna put that in there. Hello everyone. So today we're kind of doing a different video. Got my goofy wife here. Alright, so we're gonna try to do this. This is gonna be like a review on the Jackhammer Stealth, but we're gonna put it up against just a regular Jackhammer. Steph's gonna throw the Jackhammer.
Yep.
And I'm gonna throw this Stealth one. And it'll be kind of a review. I'll tell you what I think about it and all that fun stuff. But then we're also just going to kind of put them against each other and see which one wins. So it'll probably be her. Alright, but we'll see you guys on the water. You're not even going to hold my hand? You're not even going to walk with me because you're wanting to win so bad? Competition. How much of this I want to throw in the video? See how much of this I want to throw in the video?
Not very much. Definitely not me singing.
Why not?
Because I sing for you. See, I don't sing for the public.
The public. Watch out, that looks kind of icky. Icky goo. That's not bad. Oh my god. Oh, no. Okay. That white thing is over the person. Oh, damn it. But it's not. There might be something right on that little dock thing. There's always someone on that dock. Doesn't matter what day it is. Nope. Nice. Got him. B-roll.
We're not following you. He's just going where we're going.
No, man. He's showing us the fish, man. Look at him. He's like, man, they're over here. Come over here. And also, there's a bunch of sticks down there, so gotta watch out for those too. But should be all right. I'm gonna see if there's a way over here that I never knew about. Ooh, eat him. Holy crap. This new? Or no, this is normally in water. That's why. Interesting. Very interesting. He was giving us a death stare. No way. Something jump. Mm-hmm. Plug up my nose. What did you say?
Turn it towards me.
Yeah. Did it feel like it got any tighter? That one doesn't click, so.
I don't know, I'll play with it.
Okay. But yeah, it should just be that. Because it felt really loose when I was messing with it, but it never really got any tension on it when I tried to tighten it either, so I don't know. Might be messed up. Alright, let's move down here. Let's see. That's nice. Well, that might be done. Oh, maybe not. I might get it. Luckily this wasn't too bad, so kind of stopped myself a little bit, so we're good. There we go. One. He dumped it so light. Dumped it so light. He's angry. Dumped it so light. Should go tell Steph that. And should get her over here actually. Oh, she's moving. Oh, maybe not. I want Steph to come over here. She forgot her phone, so I can't tell her. I want to tell her that that fish hits super light. Just so she knows. Just set the hook, man. Because, you know, she doesn't fish all the time. She hasn't been doing it her whole life like me. So, she won't know that and just think she's hitting sticks unless if I mention it to her, then she'll know. And then she'll get it. She is a very good fisherman. And a quick learner. It's like, let it sink and reel really slow, like I was barely crawling it. And also he hit it. I just caught one. That second one was just a big ass stick. No, like I was like just crawling it. And then fucking people in their cigarette butts.
I know, there's also a bunch of line right off of it.
Oh,
With a lure attached.
oh, what the hell? What the fudge is that? That's our baby. It's like a little crappie thing.
Where they found trout?
Trout maybe? Or crappie or bluegills? And I guess I'll just throw the whole thing in my pocket. Hopefully it don't hook my pocket.
There's more line. I just had it for bigger trout.
Recycler over there. Actually, there's one in the corner. Line recycle thing.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere needs those. I mean, obviously it doesn't help that much. Cigarette fucking plastics too. Beer can. Hey, I'm tired of complaining about it, but I'm gonna complain again. Tired of picking up the old trash, people. Not head over there.
Sure.
There's. I'll probably just have you go in that corner because there's a bunch there. I think this is probably too deep. This is the real.
I don't know, I saw something jump over there.
I know. Saw a couple. There's also carp in here too, so. But this thing, it's really, really deep right in here. But back there it's shallower. I think that's where they spawn, is more back there. Dude was also right on the bank pretty much, so shallower is probably the deal. Well, I win. Just kidding.
Yeah, he did.
I know, but I'm just kidding. One fish isn't a win. I think the blade did not matter, to be honest with you. I think if she was over there throwing that fish would have bit that too. I don't think it really mattered. But I'm gonna head to the house. We'll get home and then I'll talk about it some more. So, 1 second. Alright, so there you have it. We only fished for like an hour. It was let me move this. It was just a quick little trip. Get out there before the rain came back and started being all poopy again. Just like a little hour window when there's no rain. I don't mind fishing in the rain, but cameras obviously don't like it, so pretty much got to turn them off because the waterproof case on these cameras that I use as well, you don't have any audio. So, but yeah, I've ruined cameras in the rain. So, anyway, that was it. Just the one fish in that like hour, and it came on the Z-Man Jackhammer Stealth. This is fairly new from Z-Man. I bought them when they were like first new and never used them still, but let me just kind of tell you guys my first impressions on them, using them that day. As you can see, it's got a clear blade on it, but pretty much everything else is similar to the original Jackhammer. So where I think this is really going to be effective and can be different than just a regular jackhammer or any other chatterbait or bladed jig, whatever, where this clear blade kind of can play, is clear water on sunny days. I think those really more finesse-y type days, you know, those days where fishing can be difficult, the water's really clear, bluebird skies, and you know, you generally have to slow down and go with like a, you know, a slow moving bait, a stick bait, or, you know, whatever, a Ned rig, you know, you're just finesse style baits, drop shot and things like that, whatever. I think instead of that, this can be a good search bait on those days. I really think that's where this is going to outshine a different chatterbait, is when it's bluebird skies, clear water, all that stuff. And hence the clear blade. But I really think that is a big reason for this, and I think that's really where this will shine over that other one. It does not chatter as hard as a jackhammer. It's really more of a subtle little chatter to it. So that's another thing for that clear water and stuff. It's not such a crazy thump and big movement of that metal blade. Also, it doesn't come through grass near as good as the metal blades. Just say it. The metal blade, the great thing with those chatterbaits is it kind of chops that grass, really moves that grass out of the way when you're coming through that grass. Yeah, it'll still get kind of hung up sometimes, but you can usually pop it out, whatever, jerk it, whatever. It'll cut through that grass or zip through that grass. This, on the other hand, just seems like the blade is smaller, so like it's significantly smaller, but it still just wants to catch that grass, is what I've noticed. So it doesn't come through the grass near as well. Sorry about that, if you can hear that, but I'm pretty much done anyway. But those are my thoughts on the Z-Man Jackhammer Stealth. So anyway, just figured I'd make that cool video for you guys, and I'm going out of town now. I'll be gone for like a week. And yeah, I'm going to do some pretty crazy things, some different things for these videos coming up, and some little challenges with the wife, some other pretty crazy stuff, and also just fish as well. But going out of town, just going to try to catch smallies, and it'll be fun. So I'll see you guys on the next one.